Streets of Baolai. Apparently this restaurant is very popular. And this is a 46-year-old shop. This is basically wild vegetable. You find it somewhere in the wild. And let me have a taste bite. Very good. A lot of crunchiness. Long sweet Thai. Long sweet Thai. One more bite. And here we have pork belly. Looks sumptuous. I have a closer look. Yep. Well, I gotta try some of this pork fat. Wow.
比美容那家还好吃，对不对？有没有？
没有哇，没有像那个美食。
比美容那边还好吃的。
Highly recommended this dish. Now, pork ribs cooked in plum juice. Smells very, very good.
那就不理你了。
Wow.
好吃吧？
Sweet. Chewy.
是吗？
Very good. This is the plum fruit. They make into a sauce like this, and you come with a dish like this. Here's the next dish. It's freshwater fish, deep fried fish, caught around here. Let me take a bite. The pepper. Wow. Very crunchy. Very, very nice. You know, it's like eating French fries. Wow.
如果不够的话，不够梅子粉加一加。
主要人家没日本啊。
You just eat everything from head to tail.
好的。
Our final dish, freshwater shrimp. I'll show you one piece. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Very crispy. It's delicious, seriously. You just eat from the head to the tail. And it gives out a kind of, how should I say, prawn taste. Almost similar like freshwater, seawater prawns. Look at this.
甲壳素，因为过敏，因为过敏。
哪个是地心内
This is almost like the claws are like Thailand freshwater prawn, but mini size. You have to go with some beers. Cheers.
Yeah. 入口即化。
So guys, we have finished our meal. It was very sumptuous, especially you get the vegetable from the wild, the shrimp or the river prawns from the wild, and also the fish. Beside the pork dish, I must say that every one of the dishes is very delicious. If you have a chance to come to Baolai, this is one place you have to stop by. Alright, Spencer signing out and see you in the next video.